COTI's ecosystem of payments is creating quite the buzz on social media platforms, and that is why this is the second money bag alert for you guys today. So we are 2 for 2. Those in my money bag alerts group, I sent this out. There already should be up, those who got in. Of course, we'll go over the website and see what all this talk is about. We'll definitely check out their official Twitter page, and if you guys stay tuned to the end of the video, that's where we'll do some price prediction and some technical analysis. But first, welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing you financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into COTI and see what it's about. The ultimate power grid of payments. In an era of everything digital, currency remains outdated. Currently, it's cheaper to pay in cash than to use banks, PayPal, Alipay, and alike. COTI is the first enterprise-grade fintech platform that empowers organizations to build their own payment solution and digitalize any currency to save time and money. And if you're saving time, you're saving money. So we already know what's up with that, right? Let's go ahead and scroll down. We got blockchain isn't yet a solution. So there's still some problems that we're going to have to, build on when it comes to blockchain technology. And COTI seems to want to take the lead position in this, and they are, like I said, they have a debit card already. So we got scalability, simplicity, just to name some of them. I'm going to have their official links down below. This is a money bag alert, so I'm just going to gloss over this. I want you guys to do your own due diligence. I'm going to have their official website, their official Twitter. All these links will be down in the description down below. We got COTI Pay. COTI Pay can process all payment types, both online and offline, including crypto and stable coins, credit cards, and even merchant native coins. That's something very interesting that we're going to be diving into as the COTI community continues to load up some comments down below, and as we continue to make videos on COTI, because I'm sure this is not going to go anywhere. It also has built-in finance with interest earned on deposits and business loans. So they're going to have a loan mechanism set up. This is, like I said, pretty epic, and they got white label payment network. So this is going to be easy for anybody to set up shop and be able to use their system like that. Anybody can pay in crypto or whatnot like that. The stable coins part, we're going to be digging a little bit deeper into that, into the future. We got loyalty networks. COTI developed an end-to-end solution for building blockchain-based loyalty networks to increase profits and customers' retention. Users will be rewarded with loyalty tokens added to their wallets, while businesses can create new revenue streams. Okay, so this is huge for businesses, startup shops, and even big stores already. That crypto is going to continue to grow no matter what. So we got Remittance Technology. So COTI develops a revolutionary remittance solution for cross-border payments industries to make it more secure, efficient, and low cost. So there goes that scalability. And this is a docs team. So this, like I said, is being very transparent, letting everybody know what's going on. So give a shout out to the team for sure for bringing this out. And they got investors and advisors. I just did a video on Cardano. To be part of Cardano right now is huge because, like I said, they're creating quite a buzz on social media platforms right now. The engagement is very high. You guys are going to start to hear that a lot on this channel. We are following that very closely, and COTI is one of those that the social media engagement is very high on. Okay, so let's come over here to their Twitter. They've surprised COTI has now listed on Kraken. For those who watch my videos and see me use the Crypto Watch, Kraken actually owns Crypto Watch. They bought it out, I think, in like 2018 or something like that. So it's pretty cool to see them on Kraken. We'll do some price predictions later on in the future, and we'll use Kraken's amazing Crypto Watch, which is what I've been using since 2017. All right, so now we're going to go to CoinMarketCap. And before we continue on CoinMarketCap, this was the tweet, what I sent out in my money bag alert. As you can tell, the prices were a little bit lower, 13 cents 74. There's still a range to play on here. We're at 14 cents and 10. I still believe that we're going to rock up. I've already came over here and hit good. I think more people are going to hit good. We see COTI is a big deal, huge potential. This is pretty big. Of course, we have those that are going to say dump soon. That's a perfect example of a fudder, because on social media platforms right now, the buzz is positive, and they got connections with Cardano. This is huge right now. Okay, so Moneybags Rico is telling you that this is a play right now. Of course, not financial advice, but take this time to go ahead and hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, make sure the bell notification is lit up. Like that, you guys do not miss out on any daily content and future content for COTI and whatnot like that. Continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.